A lot is going on in the markets, and this show will talk about it. We'll tell you where Bitcoin is going. After that, the goals will look good to you. We are going to talk about chain links. Put your feet up, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Along with it, we'll do some XRP and Ripple. Another thing we'll look at is what's going on with Ethereum, which is almost at an all-time high. 69 at 3,910. Ethereum is down almost 1% from yesterday. USDT and USDC, on the other hand, are both up 2.62% from yesterday and closed at 999 in XRP. Yes, friend, 52 cents, I think it's down 1.56%, but as you know, we've been up 3% and in the green for the last 30 days. That's not too bad. At the moment, there is a market cap for all coins. Let's take a look at the 2,066,000,000,000 connections. It's down to about $17 now. 22%, but it looks like Chainlink is about to go through a big change that could push us up to $30 to $40. I'll talk about that more later. For now, let's get back to the subject and give you an update. In March, we didn't call. We were also kind of calm. It was right that we hit our goals. We had a plan for Bitcoin, but Ethereum is coming soon, and we want to move things along. Bitcoin 77,000, where are you? This is very simple. This is the way we're going. Really simple. But I really wanted to remember it. So I had to open my tiny notepad and copy and paste what's going to be written next. We want to copy this right now. Want to post a boom? Great. Then let's start a new thread. That's all there is to it. In the future, Bitcoin is likely to see a lot of growth. Between 66,000 and 668,000 whales are getting bigger. When they go above 74 KK, which would mean they want to go for the low to mid 80,000 level, that will be the next big move. That's it. Simple, it's right. That's how things are. That's how things turned out. Let's get rid of that right now. Make sure we can fit after the view. We can now say for sure that Bitcoin is going to go up very strongly. How can you be sure that this move has begun and that there has been a break above 74? Bitcoin will rip above 74 and spend between $70,000 and $80,000. We've been telling you for a while that this is Bitcoin's year because its value is getting close to $100,000. It will help someone else get off the ground. And once Bitcoin hits its crazy high point, it could happen this year, early next year at 130, 170, or even 200K, the money will come back and turn into all the coins and other cryptocurrencies, just as we all wanted. That's why I put this out there. We're really back. As Caitlyn Jenner, Little made $17.80. $1 million in 53 minutes. I'm not sure what terms are appropriate for her these days, but I'll leave you a gift. Know that CBS and SBS are back and doing even better than before. Take a look at that. XRP shop, there was a time when my store was open for business. I didn't have much time to keep doing it, which is why we're back. We're going to bring back those big old tumblers that look like Stanley Cups along with the 3 things we already have for our returning little one. They're not at all Stanley. He or she is not Stanley. They look like Stanley Cups, but they're not. They will have the XRP mark written on them. They are being made right now. Unfortunately, we could only ship it within the United States and not to other countries. This was the most surprising thing about the business. But guess what? Shipping is free all over the world. We're going to do that since it's simple. No, but you can use XRP to pay for things. You can pay with a credit card. You can make money even at Ethereum, BNB, Solana. A lot of other cryptos were also put there so I could get 2 of these, don't you? Get it? Etched whiskey cups for 65 XRP? Is 65 XRP really that much? Go ahead and get your XRP now. Well, it's probably because you like the number 40. They are used to cover tiny pillowcases with stuffing and put inside other things. In general, this stuff is sent to you pretty quickly. And things that are carved take a little longer depending on how far down the line they are. If we see a 150 to 300% rise in the price goal, I've been talking about chain links since $10. When I first started using the crypto chain connection, it was only 20 to 30 cents. It's only 50 cents, but I put all of my money into XRP. The price of the chain link is $17.30 zero now. But this could go up in value by 1.5 to 3 times. Bear in mind that it could be more than that. Because I know this thing will tear, I have set very low and very cautious goals. It's really that simple. It's going to tear. I'm happy to be a holder. I'm here for the money. This is the bull market cycle. If you also want to make a lot of money during this cycle, then so will I. We have access to digital money. This was released by Punk, and I've been noticing all week that the Bitcoin market cap is at least $9.3 trillion right now. I'm not against that. At least that's what he wants. So I agree. I thought we'd get to $7 trillion. 7 up to the end if we see a $9 trillion. This could happen with a steep blow at the top. You'll tell me that XRP didn't win in the market for coins. Trillion of that, which if XRP owns 1 trillion of the 9 trillion would put it at about 20 XRP. A lot of Bitcoin experts have been talking about this lately. This time $20 XRP happened. Listen up, all I want is for XRP to go through its all-time highs. If it goes over the all-time high, I will scream, kick, and dance. I'm going to run around the block very quickly. That's all I need. Don't worry about that if we go over it. Remember, if we break up, I'm having the biggest party ever and everyone is welcome. It's going to be a great time. Where is it? It will go down, but I don't know when. We'll figure that out. When we reach $10 XRP, we can talk about Jack. Hey, Ripple has always wanted XRP to become a world reserve currency. This information came from xrpl.l.org in 2017 and is not something you could make up. You can see on the screen that we can even remove. Go ahead. This quote from the XRP system talks about Ripple, their payment methods, and how much they can do. It also says that 2017 is already well underway. Space set up at work. Every one of them focused on making the RCL work better and adding cool new features. The stability and quality of the open source code base went beyond what they said. We're still more committed than ever to our simple goal of making XRP the world's reserve currency. This has been said more than once. You will hear over and over that there is a cause. There is a reason they work with the government and banks if you want to make a digital product that you are working with. And to make a world reserve currency, you need to get your foot in the door, which is exactly what they've been doing. You need to work together with the bank, all banks, states, and senders around the world. Okay, Brad Garlinghouse, what do you think? It was said that you would be glad to see an XRP ETF from Bloomberg Crypto. What did we do? The contract said that the Solana ETF and XRP would be released next year, as you can see. They probably won't come this year, so why not pay attention? Many of these government workers are on leave right now because it's summer. It's like a short summer break for them. You'll know about Q3 and Q4 when they come back. Soon elections will happen once things get back to normal, along with the choice to take away everything from them, Thanksgiving. And Christmas are thrown in. Also, since it's a new year, I don't think we'll see it until the beginning of the next year. If you know how an XRP ETF works, like how the system and cycle work, you would like it. But I could be wrong, listen to Brad. Then of course we'd be glad to have it, and I think there are a few exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that are based on different tokens. I think that some ETFs might even be based on bundles, and I also think that we should spread that risk out even more. Based on what, I think that a lot of Ethereum files will be made public. Because of what's been going on lately, I even think that something important may show up. You see, Grayscale just recently added Ripple to one of their trusts. I think Ethereum or Ripple might show up since it's on a public market. Where can I buy ETFs? It might be fun to have an XRP. I know that you have Ether out there, ETF. Regarding XRP, can you tell me that I can't? And that you don't want me to? I do a good job. You should know that BlackRock was there. They are getting closer. They talked about the ETF. Take a look at what happened lately with Ethereum. Keep an eye on the charts that come up about Solana. I already talked about Sana's new ETF. I have Solana, which is worth up to $2,000 at most. Once more, the market is going up. The gem that was there has already broken. I'm glad that people are paying attention to the pin tweet. We're going that way and it's coming together nicely. The lowest price of Bitcoin was about $60,000. I don't think we'll see that price drop again. I also think that the bottom of XRP is around 48 cents.